I want to talk about this one powerful question you must ask yourself every time you feel stuck or you feel things are not happening the way you want them to, you feel lost, you feel disempowered. Yeah, let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, every time that there is a situation which gives you a disempowering experience, which makes you feel, why is this happening to me? And you can't really make anything of it, you feel lost. आपको ऐसा महसूस होता है कि बस मुझे कोई बता दे मुझे क्या करना है, ये सब क्या हो रहा है. Happens, I'm sure सबकी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई ना कोई इंस्टेंस आता है, कोई इवेंट होता है, कोई एक्सपीरियंस होता है. This one question that I want to talk about, it's a very powerful question. बहुत powerful है. जब ये question आप अपने आप से पूछते हो, it opens up a whole new world for you, a world of possibilities, a world of growth. और I think हम सब अपनी अपनी ग्रोथ जर्नी पे हैं, हम सब ग्रो करना चाहते हैं. तो इफ यू रियली वांट टू टर्न अराउंड समथिंग सो डिसएम्पावरिंग इनटू अ ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन दिस इज दैट वन क्वेश्चन. और वो है, व्हाट इज दिस एक्सपीरियंस ट्राइंग टू टीच मी? I'll repeat, what is this experience trying to teach me? ये जो experience है, चाहे वो कोई इवेंट हुआ है, कोई सिचुएशन है, किसी और के साथ कुछ है, जो भी एक्सपीरियंस आप जिससे गुजर रहे हो, वो आपको क्या सिखाकर जा सकता है या क्या सिखाना चाहता है. Now, the moment you start looking at it from a perspective of growth, from the context of growth, that what is it trying to teach me, there is so much that you can really figure out about yourself. So instead of getting desperate to fix it up, कि बस कुछ भी करूं, इसे ठीक कर दूं, या मुझे कोई इसका सोल्यूशन बता दे, या मैं ये सुनना चाहती हूं, या मैं चाहती हूं ये आउटकम हो जाए, I would say just flow. Just let it be. I know it's not easy, you know. I see myself and I realize that I feel so disempowered at times, you know, when something like this comes up. But then the moment I look at it, okay, it's part of my journey, right? And it's here. I mean, anyway, I have to go through it. So one option is I sulk, मैं रोती रहूं, मैं परेशान होती रहूं, मैं disempowered रहूं, versus how can I convert it into an opportunity full of growth, full of possibilities. तो ये मुझे मेरे बारे में क्या सिखाएगा. और जितना important ये question खुद से पूछना है, उसी के साथ being aware of what you're going through. So there is no set, if you ask me, there's no set process कि अच्छा फिर क्या होगा, फिर कैसे करना है, फिर क्या. It's just, I would say, a journey of witnessing as is. Journey of witnessing as is. Whatever you are going through, be aware of what's happening, क्या हो रहा है. And I can guarantee you will learn so much about yourself. And you know, the funny part is, or I would say the interesting part is, कि जब आप ये प्रश्न अपने आप से पूछते हो किसी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन में, you will feel that ये चीज तो काफी वक्त से चली आ रही है, लेकिन आज ही ये प्रश्न क्यों उठा है, या आज ही ये मेरे दिमाग में क्यों आ रहा है, या ये मुझे परेशान क्यों कर रहा है, बॉदर क्यों कर रहा है, या डिसएम्पावर क्यों कर रहा है. ये सिचुएशन तो हमेशा से थी. Then let me tell you, it is always in sync with who you are becoming. Whoever you are becoming, अगर जो भी कुछ आपके आसपास है वो उसके साथ सिंक में नहीं है, तो वहां पर एक क्वेश्चन मार्क खड़ा हो जाएगा. That will give rise to situations of confusion, या ये जो disempowerment आप महसूस कर रहे हो, या feeling low और frustrated या lost कि क्या हो रहा है, confusion. I would say always welcome them. Be happy that you confronting such a situation, you facing such a situation, and be ready to confront. Don't resist it. What is it teaching me? It will help you in that journey of who you are becoming. अगर वो सिंक में नहीं है, आप जो हो उससे, आपकी कोर वैल्यूज से, तो ये सब खड़ा होगा बीच में. और जब ये खड़ा होता है, वेलकम इट, बी सुपर हैप्पी. It's going to be a huge learning opportunity for you. The more the pain, the more the discomfort, the more uneasy you're feeling, the bigger is learning you're going to have. Bigger discovery you're going to make about yourself. तो अपने बारे में जानोगे, and you will actually move forward in your journey towards becoming what you want to become, who you are becoming, right? So do remember, what is this experience trying to teach me? It's the most powerful question. Every time I ask this to myself, I stand in front of the mirror and feeling like helpless, lost, and the moment I look into my eyes and I ask this question to myself, it just gives me a different feeling. And then as I start to witness, I would just say, go with the flow. Then ask this question, go with the flow. Just let yourself be, give yourself that space, and be easy. Don't try to arrive at something. ये करना है, ऐसा करना है, ये outcome आ जाए, ये हो जाए. Just give it some time. Just be yourself. Yeah. I hope you found this meaningful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day, which you don't want to miss. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.